Welcome back to our Bluey camper build. Today we are installing the last wall in our truck. Just like the rest of the walls in Bluey, we are using 18mm high pressure laminate plywood. Jason cuts the length and width with our circular saw. Jason cuts a bracket out of aluminium angle for the top of the wall. We decide to attach the C channel to the side of the wall first. Jason struggles with this because our rivet gun is old and needs an overhaul. Jason prepares the aluminium angle for the floor. We're using MS to keep it in position and screwing it in place. Jason rivets the aluminium to the ceiling and pre-drills the second piece of aluminium which will hold the wall in position. We need a piece for both the ceiling and for the floor. With everything prepared, Jason applies copious amounts of MS to the C channel and then along the floor and ceiling. Jason applies MS to the ball nose which we have to attach to the wall. It will finish off the corner with a nice curve. Then we slide the wall into position. It didn't go in as easily as we would have liked. We attached the bull nose, but it didn't quite slot into the right position. We had to remove the wall, make a few adjustments, and then retry. All this with the MS going off. We got it back into place, and then glued and riveted the aluminium angle to the ceiling. We glued and screwed the aluminium angle to the floor as well. We are still waiting on parts to install the toilet properly, so this bathroom is not quite finished, but we're moving on to the kitchen next.